Alright, guys. Today, hang on, wait, is this still recording? Okay. Today, we're going to see how long it takes my pet bird to catch me while I run. Take one. Oh my god, it's coming. Hang on. What are you saying? My bird is chasing me. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna run to the crystal map and see if it catches me before I get there. Oh my god, he's right there. Come on, come on, come on. Actually, here. Do a little circle. Oh no. Oh my god. My bird is locking in. Help. My bird. It's locking in. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh no, I dropped my controller! No! Alright guys, well that was how long it took my bird to catch me.